Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, Ram.
Okay. So I am very good and very good morning because I have started my day very earlier today. So it was quite refreshing. But at the same time, I'm feeling very sleepy. but
I can understand that.
but the thing is, we have to work on our schedule so that we can at least record a video because we were actually recording videos at night and the video quality was not very good. So I thought I should record videos in the morning itself, and you agreed to that. So I want to thank you for giving me such an opportunity. And
I will always agree about morning.
okay.
It is easier for me.
So, ma'am, I want to discuss today something that our dependence of over dependence of our generation to gadgets. That is, means I planned for this topic, and I because what happened, and just I think 2 hour back I decided to record on this topic because I was going for running. I was going for running, so I saw 2 or 3 kids. They were recording videos, and their age was 13 and 14. And they were saying that after this
They
video,
were recording videos in the
yes,
morning.
yes, at the street, yet around 6 a.m. in the morning. And I was feeling lazy, and they were so enthusiastic. I was thinking, oh my god, like I should also record video at the 6 a.m. in the morning itself, so I got inspired from them.
So these kids inspire you to
So,
make this
but
video now.
at the same time, what I have read, actually they are practicing the law of distraction. See, I'll tell you what I'm saying. So suppose your WhatsApp or your phone rank, just it rings, and you go and check it. They are like in the from morning to evening. I think the message and the mail we are getting, they are of no use. They are of
Notifications,
the notification.
useless
They
notifications.
are useless notification, but still, because we have trained our mind like, okay, if our phone rings, we will see that, we will check it. Now this is the one part. And the thing is, suppose at the age of 13 and 14, they are thinking of something which is called instant gratification. They want instant rewards. They want to become famous at the age of 13 and 14. There is no harm in that. But my question is, out of 1 lakh people, those who are doing this for their living, how many of them become famous? It is not, it is means, yes, they can give a shot. It is not that, but if they are seriously thinking that, okay, this will become our career, a career alternative, I don't think so. This is a very good or safe option. If you just statically, if you compare, and if you have like 30,000 job and 1 lakh people are applying, they are more probable to be success than those guys who are recording the videos, if you compare. So because you have seen this transition, that when things were not, means on, like, not depend, like we were not
So we
you,
were offline
yes,
when we were offline, and
yeah,
now when we are online.
you were writing
Yes.
you were writing letter, and I hope, see, I'm telling you, I have also seen that. It is not that this you only have seen that, because my first phone came when I was in masters, when I was doing masters. So maybe it is around 2012. So I was also not dependent on gadgets. And so what is your take
And
in?
I got my phone, I think, after graduation when I was in Delhi, and I had problems
So if you
because
compare,
I had to contact.
so if you compare,
Yes.
so you got phone earlier than me.
So I got in 2005. So the thing, I mean, I understand the point you're trying to make. I certainly lived, and I was quite mature when I was like without phone, and I was well managing time. Not me, I mean other people around me without phone. So what do you expect me to say? What do you want me to say?
Whatever is your,
Because
whatever is your,
I am in
See,
If you ask me,
there was a fun. There was when we suppose we were calling somebody. So it was fun. We have to wait. We have to wait for at least 1 hour. Somebody will call them. Means you have to call them in a neighbor. Then neighbor will go. So it was quite interesting because somebody will come. Then they will do. So it was very interesting. Now you just call somebody, and at the same time we have taken the things for we are taking things for granted.
granted.
Yes, because now our parents call, we don't feel that much. Okay, we have talked to them in in the morning, so why should we talk in the evening? Now, because of this over dependence, the emotional barrier, the emotional things are they are decreasing. The emotional the emotions we have now, it is kind of draining out, and at the same time, it is also impacting the students. They are much more, means they are not focused nowadays. You can say they are getting good marks than if you compare with us, but marks is not all the things. There are so many things that you have to learn in your life, and and you must agree with me on that, that with phones and with over dependence on gadgets, I don't think so this is the life is going to be, you can't live your life on phone. Basically, you have to live your life in a real world, and for that you need so many things. So what you say?
I say whatever you're saying is right actually, because now everything we have in our hand and we can do anything. I mean, we can destroy ourselves, but we can, do something very productive with our lives because of the phone or the other gadgets we have. So it's right that mm, now we are seeking for instant gratification because it is possible because of these gadgets. Earlier, it was not possible, but now it is possible. And just because it is possible, so we are just mm, being, what do you say, pushed towards it, because we all want sincere appreciation, whether it is offline life or online life. But the thing is, now we have more access, easily accessible things are there. We can easily do this, and just because, what will I say, that yes, we are too much dependent on gadgets, and it is not going to be very helpful. But the thing is, uh, I think that gadgets are not to be blamed. It is our lifestyle which is to be blamed,
Okay, so
because
yes,
whatever you have and how you use it,
this is
it
completely,
makes lots of difference.
yes, it's completely means not true. What I like, it's now it has a different aspect also. What means whatever you are saying, it's right, but different aspect is that, suppose, just for example, if a 12-year guy get addicted to drugs, just in case, let's suppose the 12-year guys get addicted to drugs, smoking, drinking, whatever you can imagine, he become. So not only the boy who is addicted is responsible for his life, the person who sold it to a 12-year guy, it is also responsible. Who's that person is also responsible. So because now, now you can say like how you can compare mobile with drug. If I can say, in US there are proper rehabilitation center for not using phone. They become so much dependent on mobile and they become lazy. There is a particular rehabilitation center, and if you say drug is also addiction, so this is also addiction. Checking your phone, suppose if you have post something, you are posting it for yourself, and then you are checking it. Oh, how many people are like it? And suppose if somebody will not like it, then you will feel depressed. So
And
ultimately,
this is all about weakness of our character.
yes,
It has nothing to do with the things. I mean, there were drug addicts earlier, and they are now. But the thing is, not everybody was drug addict then, and not everybody is drug addict
yes,
now.
yes, yes,
It's about our conditioning, our upbringing, and what our family members are doing. I mean, if everybody in my home is using mobile like anything, we cannot expect our kids not to use it.
Definitely.
If we just, I mean, if we, because it has this benefit also,
Yes.
seeing that we can minimize, we can minimize the uses, like we will use only for 1 hour, 2 hours like this. But if we don't do it, we cannot teach the same thing to our kids.
Yes, it is
And
actually, yes. The way what way you are putting is now it is quite logical, because see, everything comes from parents. If your parents will not stop you, definitely you will get addicted. So the thing is, why it is happening, because we are not teaching our kids how to handle this weapon. It is a weapon. It
we
is,
cannot teach something which we ourselves don't know.
we ourselves don't know. Yes, because we are actually
We
depend.
ourselves are seeking for gratification. We, you will see that, I mean, even me keep looking at the notification and all, and then I feel that okay, I'm losing control, so then I uninstall the apps to
And then
stay focused.
then reinstall. Then after 2 days we have to reinstall them, because because that's the way it should. It
Okay,
is.
but
That's
I
the.
don't do it. But I know it is something which is there in our lifestyle because of the parents, or I mean the surrounding.
I think.
So I think that this is the weakness of character. We need to
I,
work on there.
no. I think it is high time that it should be included in our education system, that how to use this gadget.
Yes,
It is very high time
obviously.
that we should teach them. We should teach our kids how to use these gadgets, or this internet, or this whatever you can imagine, to a to to positive, to the positive extent. Otherwise, what will happen after some, because it is actually, you can say, suppose if you are means suppose you are planning to sleep, and you have a habit of checking your phone in night. It is actually disturbing your sleep. You don't know that you are not doing it purposely, but unknowingly or knowingly, what you are doing is actually making you.
Yeah, it has its harmful effects also.
Yes.
I mean, I have
and
read about it, but
and see,
Hmm.
there is a one game called PUBG. It engage you so much that you forgot what you are actually doing. Though you can say, okay, means, it is just a game, but still things like that, definitely.
yeah,
Definitely.
it's a kind of trap, you see, because the more you try to come out of it, the more you're dragged inside. Because I have seen even my nephews, many a times they try to do this, but I can see that how, what do you say, they are kind of victim now. They just don't know how to get out of it. So I think some games and something, I mean, there must be put check on that. Otherwise,
See, actually, internet have some good things also. That, like, suppose there are so many famous lecture that you can at least see on YouTube. And let me tell you one thing: whatever editing, whatever things I learn, there are so many things I have learned from YouTube. But again, I miss the fun.
even me,
But
I am learning, and especially if you talk about lockdown, then don't you think that if there was no mobile, no gadgets,
yes,
we would die, because
yeah.
we could do many productive things
Hmm.
through phone.
It,
So
it is also positive. Means
yes,
there are so many. I think more, but it is the way that you handle it. If you can manage it, then it's a very good tool. It's a very good, means whatever gadgets you have, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a internet, whether it's a YouTube. If you are using it in a proper way, you know what you are doing, and you can stop it. You can restrict yourself to, okay, I will do that, and after that I will not do anything. Then it's very helpful. And
yes,
if you can't control it, then definitely you will end up on something else. So it is kind of very, I think, very good.
So it's about organizing your daily routine or something like that, and our parents must help us, and because the way they will live their life, we are going to follow. So something, I think that is some control on the gadgets,
Mhm.
and something in our daily routine. They both together can help us get rid of it. Otherwise, the time is not far when we will also be like
Teachers
in India
with
also. There
with
will
that
be have
with that teacher will absolute. They will become absolute.
and you're right when you said that we should start teaching it. I think that in school we should be teaching. There must be a class on this or a subject on this, so that we can learn how to use, when to use, how can we use it to our benefit.
Mm.
But this is something, it's not like one day thing. We
And
have to bring it in our
yeah,
life.
it is.
Yes.
Yes. And see, though I have learned so many things from YouTube, but I can tell you one thing I was always missing: the fun of asking question during the lectures. Suppose you are seeing a person who is your inspiration, whom you admire, and you can't ask question. It is kind of very painful. See, I've seen so many lectures. I'm very big fan of so many scientists, and I've seen them. But yes, though means you can say okay, they like there are so many scientists. Though now they are no more in, like they are means they are not present with us. But yes, still we can watch. We can still watch their videos.
Yes.
But at the same
Whatever we
time,
want to know, we can easily know. Yes.
yeah,
See,
but at the same time,
everything has a positive and negative aspects. But if you talk about gadgets, I think we have more uh,
positive.
positive aspects than
Yes,
negative.
I totally agree with you on that. But yes, the how we handle it, if there is some kind of educational policy or some kind of policy uh, in that, and why which apps are important for you and which are not, and in which direction you want to go, if that is clear, then I think you can use it to the maximum benefit. So I think, I hope this recording will help some people, and
Yes.
at least for discussion purpose we have discussed it. And so please watch this video on Language Articulation Group YouTube channel. And thank you. So bye, ma'am, take care,
Thank you, Rahul.
and nice to see you again,
Bye.
ma'am. Nice to see you, and have a nice day, ma'am.
Same here.